Hello everyone. Uh, Today we're going to be going over decorative stitches on the Singer 6800C heavy duty sewing machine. So this button right here cycles through the stitch menu. First stitch menu, or M1, is this stitch menu here. Stitch menu 2 is the pull-out cards, 1 and 2. Stitch menu 3 is your alphabets. Stitch 4 is, menu 3 is solid letters. Menu 4 is goes around the letters. So in order to activate it, it's already on here. If you want to write something, hit your program button and then write out what you want to write. So once you have everything written in you want and you made a mistake, hit the trash can button and it goes back and erases that stitch. So once you have everything programmed in, you can use your arrow buttons to cycle through, make sure you've written what you want. Okay, so get your fabric where you want it to be. Make sure you put the presser foot down. Hit your play pause button. And a lower setting is best, I found. It does not distort the letters. The stitch tension, you want it to be between 3 and 5. On this fabric, I have found a 5 to be what we need. I have taken the presser foot distance pressure to a 3. Notice up here, it tells what stitch you're on. Over here, it tells you the number of the stitch and how many stitches there are to go. And really all you need to do is make sure that everything is going in a straight line. The automatic stop flashes. It stops automatically. Hit your thread cutter and trim your threads. And there we go. It does suggest having presser foot A on, but I forgot. And it still did a wonderful job. Though it may not be as straight. So the foot I had on was the universal foot of T, but you can see up here it suggests using presser foot A. So if you want to clear those out, just hit the trash can button, or you can keep it saved. Now if you want to do another decorative stitch, this is my favorite, the little sewer, and it's already programmed on there, and then the pair of scissors. And then if you want to mirror it, it shows you in the display. So let's see how this works. And again, press your foot down, just hit the play pause, and it will do the 4 stitches that we've programmed in. So as you see in the corner in the display, it has shown that it is mirroring the stitches. The stitch length and the stitch tension that's all you can do. You can't change those. The auto stop is flashing, meaning that it will stop when it's done with this stitch. And that's it. It has stopped. And it mirrored the stitches. So that is Decorative Stitches on the 6800C heavy duty sewing machine by Singer. I'd like to thank everyone who has watched my previous videos. Thank you for the subscribers, the new subscribers. Thank you for people leaving comments. I'm still researching on some of the comments that I've been given. I am new to sewing, so I am learning. And if you have any tips or tricks, please leave them in the comments. I appreciate everyone that has watched my videos. I really do appreciate it. Enjoy and keep crafting. Bye.